An evening of appreciation, meaningful conversations, and stronger partnerships. This was Pertua VIP Night in Baguio. Held in the cool and welcoming atmosphere of the city of Pines, the event brought together Pertua's valued dealers, distributors, store partners, and business associates for a night dedicated to celebrating the relationships that continue to drive the brand forward. More than a business gathering, it was an opportunity to reconnect, exchange ideas, and thank the people who have been part of Pertua's journey through the years. From the moment guests arrived, the evening was filled with warm welcomes, genuine conversations, and opportunities to strengthen long-standing partnerships. Every interaction reflected the trust and collaboration that have become the foundation of the Pertua community. One of the evening's highlights was the presence of inventor John A. Simon, President and CEO of PrimeTech Oil Incorporated, and the inventor of the Pertua. Beyond addressing the gathering, he personally visited every table, greeting partners one by one, listened to their experience, discussed new opportunities, and expressed his sincere appreciation for their continued confidence in the Pertua brand. His personal engagement demonstrated the company's commitment to building relationships that go beyond business. Also present throughout the evening was the Pertua sales team, led by Mr. Mon Legasto, National Sales Manager, together with original sales representatives. They spent the evening engaging with partners, sharing market updates, discussing future plans, and reinforcing Pertua's commitment to supporting every dealer and distributor in achieving continued growth. Supporting the event was the Pertua marketing team led by Mr. Jem Gonzalez, Channel and Trade Marketing Manager, and Ms. Diane Christine Simon, Marketing Strategy and Communications Manager. Together with the rest of the marketing team, they helped ensure the event ran smoothly while capturing the memorable moments that reflected the strength of the Pertua family. During the event, the team also had the opportunity to sit down with Pierre Jamaldin Moran, head mechanic and manager of Bike Spot, for an exclusive conversation. Hear out Jam as he shared how Pertua has become a trusted brand among mechanics and motorists.
Hi, Jam, bale, head mechanic slash manager ng Bike Spot. Bale, nag-start ko na-discover ang Pertua year back 2019 before pandemic. May nag-introduce sa amin ng Pertua, although kahit na matagal na namin benta, saka sa amin explain. Ngayon, ang Pertua, ang malaking binigay sa akin na tulong at the same time na-improve sa akin sa makina is yung worth nung pinagmamalaki nilang Pertua shot. Binigay na malaking tulong lalo na sa mga bagong overhaul na engine, sa mga nagbabawas ng langis na makina, sa sakit ng Innova na cold start may lagitik, saka sa mga scooters na mabilis uminit. So, ang Pertua, nung sinubukan namin, maganda ang performance sa binigay. At the same time, mas nakakatipid din sa pag-change oil. Dahil yung sinasabi nilang kaya nilang sumobra ng mileage, kaya naman at proven. Price over value, worth it ba? Pricey pero proven naman. Lalo na kung sa leading brands natin, kaya niyang sabayan lalo na sa mga high performance engine na katulad ng DOC saka ng single cylinder head na parang katulad sa KTMs. At the same time, Sniper, reklamo nila sa Sniper mabilis uminit. Hindi na magbabanggit ng brands pero kung gusto niyo subukan, Pertua, okay rin naman. Actually, 2019, we have our shop in Kisad, Mark Stephen Enterprise. Bali doon kami nag-start. nung pagbenta ng Pertua hanggang nung nag-close, pumasok ang Ken Lubes. Ayan, kasama namin sila Sir Ronnie, kasama nila si Sir Ronnie sa si Sir Mon. Bale, kuwan lang din ako nun, on call na pagkailangan nila ng mekaniko. Especially dun sa Ken Lubes dati, meron sila mga services tungkol sa mga motor. Ako rin gumagawa. Ngayon, nung nag-close kasi yung shop namin, si Sir Mike, yung distributor natin dito ngayon sa Baguio, boss ko siya sa pagdadrive lang. So, ang reklamo niya sa akin, sakit ng Innova niya since after 2 weeks or 1 month, sabihin na natin, cold start, yun nga, like nasabi ko kayo na, may Logitech. So, in-introduce ko ang Pertua. Since before, ngayon, lahat ng sasakyan namin o lahat ng ginagamit namin na lang sa service saka sa pagdi-deliver namin na sasakyan, Pertua. Yun naman ang kaya nagustuhan niya rin. Sa lahat ng sinubukan niya lang, Pertua lang nakapagpatahimik doon sa makina niya. About sa lifespan saka sa cleaning ng makina, usually pag nag-overhaul kami, madumi talaga, kasi madumi. Pero sa Pertua, sabihin na natin, pag tamang mileage, pag nag-change oil ka saka sa timpla ng makina, pag nagbaklas ka, malinis at mukhang brand new pa rin. Actually kasi before, ang Pertua bago naglabas ng oil, gumagamit na ang lolo ko ng oil treatment sa mga sasakyan nila. So, same din sa mga tito ko, sa pinsang ko. Kaya nagulat lang ako, naglabas sila ng oil eh. So, nung sinubukan namin, walang may gustong sumubok. Medyo mahirap ibenta kasi hindi nila kilala. So, nakakilala lang talaga sa Pertua is mga old-timers. Hanggang nung in-introduce sa amin nung 2019 dito sa Baguio. Yun, at least hanggang ngayon naman, 2026. Ngayon kami mas okay siya. At the same time, maraming gumagaya na hindi naman nila makuha yung tamang patent. Kumatahimik yung makina, smooth. At the same time, yes, totoo rin, medyo tumitipid din sa gasolina saka sa krudo. Sa customer, nung una nagre-reklamo kasi sabi nila hard start. Sabi ko wala naman sa langis yun. Nasa gumagawa pa rin ng makina. So usually kapag explain mo sa kanila, saka naman sila naniniwala. At the same time, bumabalik at bumibili pa rin. Yung nakakapanood na mga taga La Union sa taga Baguio, meron tayong shop sa La Union bike spot sa Santo Tomas Poblacion, malapit sa Claveria. Tapos meron din po tayong mga engine oil sa benta around Buyagan. Message nyo na lang po yung page natin, Cordillera Pertua. Sa Pertua may lalakas pa.
As the evening continued, guests enjoyed great food, meaningful conversations, and moments of appreciation that celebrated not only business achievements but also the friendships and partnerships built over the years. Every handshake, every smile, and every conversation reflected the values that define Pertua: trust, quality, innovation, and lasting partnerships. To all dealers, distributors, store partners, and valued guests, thank you for being an important part of the Pertua family. Together, we look forward to reaching even greater milestones in the years ahead. Be part of a growing network of trusted dealers and partners. Send us a message to learn more about Pertua dealership. Power, protection, savings. Sa Pertua, may ilalakas pa.